Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 8 to the power of 9 minus 8 to the power of 8 is equals to what? We write this algebraic expression into the simplified form. But you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. This means that we need to show all of the working on this paper. So here first we rewrite this expression as this is 8 to the power of 9. We write it as 8 to the power of 8 plus 1 minus this is 8 to the power of 8. And here we use the exponential rule. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m plus n equals to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So according to this nice rule, we just expand we just break this exponent as a to the power of 8 times a to the power of 1 minus 8 to the power of 8. And in the next step, you see here, both of these two terms involve a to the power of 8. So here we take common a to the power of 8 and we get the remaining values are from here we get 8 and from here we get minus 1. And now in the next step we have this is 8 to the power of 8 times 8 minus 1 becomes here 7. And now in the next step here we write this 8 as 2 cubed. We know that 8 is equals to 2 cubed and its whole exponent is 8 times of 7. And now here we use another exponential rule here. So according to this rule we know that if you have a to the power of m to the power of n equals to a to the power of m times n. Okay, so according to this rule of exponent, we multiply both of these two exponents and this will be written as 2 to the power of 3 times 8 becomes 24 times of 3. And here we again break this exponent 24 as we write it as 2 to the power of 10 plus 10 plus 4. We know that 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 4 becomes 24 and it is multiplied by this 7. So now here we again apply this exponential rule, and according to this rule we break all these exponents separately here and we write it as 2 to the power of 10 times 2 to the power of 10 times 2 to the power of 4 times of 7. So we need to multiply all these bigger numbers without using the calculator or any long calculations. I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And here you see that 2 to the power of 10 is equals to 1024. This is the very common value. We already know about this. And here you know that 2 to the power of 4 is equals to 16. So now we replace both of these two values in this expression and this will becomes here 1024 times 1024 times this is 16 times of 7. So here first we need to multiply these two numbers and these two numbers as well. So for this we break this 1024 as we write it as 1000 plus 20 plus 4 and we multiply this number with this 1024 and it is multiplied by here 16 times of 7 becomes here 112. And now here first we multiply this complete number with each of these values separately, and when we multiply this number with 1000 we will just get here 1024 and we write three zeros plus when we multiply this number with this we get 1024 times of 20 plus we multiply this with this we get 1024 times of 4 and its resulting answer is multiplied by 112. So here first we write the first term as it is and we write it as 1024 and 000 and here we consider this is one digit number and this is our two digit number. So we multiply 0 with this number we get 0 and 2 times this number equals to 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0 and 2 1s are 2. And now in the same pattern we multiply 4 with this value and we get 4 4s are 16. We write 6 and carry 1. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 becomes 9, 4 zeros are 0, and 4 ones are 4. So here first we need to sum up all these three values, and its resulting answer is multiplied by 112. Now we sum up these values and we get 0 plus 0 plus 6 becomes here 6. This 0 plus 8 becomes 8. 8 plus 9 becomes 17. We write 7 and carry 1. 0 plus 4 becomes 4. 4 plus 0 becomes 4. 4 plus 1 becomes 5. And 4 plus 0 becomes 4. 4 plus 4 becomes 8. And this 2 plus 2 becomes 4. And here further we have this is 0 and 1. We write both of these two values as it is here. And now in the next step we multiply this resulting number with 112, and now we break this 112 as 100 plus 10 plus 2. Okay, so now in the next step, when we multiply this number with 100, we will get here 1048576, and we just write these two zeros here. And plus, when we multiply this number with 10, we write 1048576, and we write 10. And plus, we multiply 2 with this number, and we will obtain 2 6 are 12. We write 2 and carry 1. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 becomes 15. We write 5 and carry 1. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 becomes 11. We write 1 and carry 1. 2 8s are 16. 16 plus 1 becomes 17. We write 7 and carry 1. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 becomes 9. 2 zeros are 0, and 2 ones are 2. So here in the final step, we need to sum up all these values and we get here our final answer. So if we sum up all these values and we get here our final answer, so we have 0 plus 0 plus 2 becomes 2. This 0 plus 6 becomes 6. 6 plus 5 becomes 11. We write 1 and carry 1. This 6 plus 7 becomes 13. 13 plus 1 becomes 14. 14 plus 1 becomes 15. We write 5 and carry 1. This 7 plus 5 becomes 12. 12 plus 7 becomes 19. 19 plus 1 becomes 20. We write 0 and carry 2. So this is 5 plus 8 becomes 13. 13 plus 9 becomes here 22. 22 plus 2 becomes 24. We write 4 and carry 2. And this is 8 plus 4 becomes 12. 12 plus 0 becomes 12. 12 plus 2 becomes 14. We write 4 and carry 1. So this is 4 plus 0 becomes 4, and 4 plus 2 becomes 6. 6 plus 1 becomes 7. And this 0 plus 1 becomes here 1. And at the last we get here again 1. So this is the our final simplified form of the given question, which we get here without using the calculator. And this is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.